There are tons of ways you can use NanoBanana. You can use it for your business, for your YouTube channel, for your faceless YouTube channel, for your Instagram, and so on and so forth, because it is packed with a lot of goodies. Yes, you can use it for tons of different things. Let me show you a few ways on how to use it. And you can access NanoBanana on Google AI Studio, Gemini AI, LM Arena, and so on and so forth. But today we are going to be using Google Gemini. What you're going to do is you go to your browser, search for Google Gemini, then you click on the first one, then it will bring you to this surface. Then the next thing you are going to do is this 2.5 flash up here, you are going to click on it. Make sure it is in 2.5 flash here, because that's what we are going to use. So go back, you come down to where it says tools right here, click on it. Then you see this create images that there's banana in front. So you click on it, then you come here where it says add files, add the image you want to work with. Click on upload, then select whatever image you want to work with. But for a start, let's add this one. Let's select this one. What we're going to do is make this image modern. Then you click on this run button right here. You click on submit. And you're going to wait for it. It's not going to take much of your time, trust me. It is very, very fast and reliable. Then we are going to wait for it. So what we're going to do is scroll down and let's check it. Can you see how, let's check the picture. Can you see how beautiful this picture is? By the way, this is my picture though. So to download it, you click on this download button right here. Then it's going to download onto your device. So let's go back. Let's make her wear another dress. So what we're going to do is you click on this plus sign right here. Click on upload files. Then the image we generated, click on it, open. Then click on this plus sign again. Click on upload files. Then select the clothes you want her to wear. So let's make her wear this. Let's make her wear this. Okay. The prompt we are going to enter is make make the image wear the clothes on image 2, or on the second image. Let's try the second. On the second image. Then you click on this run button to submit it. So we are going to wait a few seconds. Let's see how that goes. Let's wait for it. It's generating. Sometimes it's not accurate though. I'm not going to lie, because I've been using it for the past few days now. It's not accurate. I'm not going to lie. But let's scroll down to check. Can you see? Let me click on it. Wow, this is really beautiful. Well, let's go back. What we're going to do is let's remove the bag from the image. And you click on run again. I really love this NanoBanana because but it's going to take away a lot of people's job, no doubt, but it's helping tons of different people out there. So it's done generating. Let's check. You see, the bag is no longer there. Can you see? This is very, very beautiful. So the next thing, let's download it. The next thing we are going to do, let's try make our background be at the beach. Let's see what it's going to do. So you click on submit. So let's wait for it, just a few seconds. This is very interesting and I'm enjoying it already. So we're going to wait for it. Let's wait for it, just a few seconds. It's generating image. Yep, it is done generating. So let's check. This is very, very pretty. This is This is very, very pretty. So let's try another thing. Let me save this. You go back. I'm coming. Let's click on this plus sign. Click on upload files. Let me upload the image again. Then click on this add files again. Upload on image. Upload files. Then add this water bottle rather. So make the lady on image one hold the water bottle on image two so let's click on run. So let's wait for it to generate. This is getting interesting, very, very interesting. It is done generating. Let's check it out. Oh no, this is bad. I told you it's not 100% accurate. Trust me, this is bad. What? Oh no, 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 I don't like it. So let's go back. Let's try and regenerate it. So if you want to regenerate, click on this redo button. So let's wait for it because no, 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 that is very bad. That is very bad. That's what I said. It's not 100% accurate because I've been using it for the past 5 days. I've been trying it out. It's not 100% accurate. There are sometimes it's going to give you rubbish. So just So let's check. It is done generating. So let's check it. You see, this one is even worse. It is very, very worse. So I don't think. Let's try another thing. This is not okay. So what we're going to do is let's try another thing. So you click on this add files right here, upload files. Then let me do this. Okay, let me try this. Then you click on open. And what I'm going to do is make, and by the way, this is my logo. It's not yet launched, but this is my logo. Make this logo on a polo shirt. I mean, let's put this logo on a polo shirt. Then let's do it that way. Put this logo on a polo shirt. So you click on run. So let's wait for it. And mind you, you can use this NanoBanana for a lot of different things. Yes, I'll just be showing you few. So let's scroll down. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Like I love. Oh my god, this is really beautiful. Wow, and that's my brand name, Ivora. It's not yet launched, but this is beautiful. Let me save that. This is really beautiful. Let's go back. Let's make an anthem and some Nigerian. Oh, let me put that in capital letter. Nigerian man. Oh, sorry. Nigerian man wear this polo. So let's hit on run again. We are going to wait for it. Oh, this is getting interesting. Let me go back to the polo. I love this. I love the texture. I love everything about oh my god, this is very, very, very accurate. Very, very accurate. And if you are working with picture, if you notice, it keeps the face intact. Nothing is going to change in whatever you are doing. Oh, this is very, very good. I love it. Let's go back. To what we are doing. So we are going to scroll down. It's still generating. This is beautiful. Can you see that? Like, can you see that? This is really beautiful. Too. Can you see? This is really, really beautiful. Wow, I love it. Let me download that already. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Let's go back. Let's try other things. Wait, let me try the bottle water stuff with him. So make the image. Let's upload files first. Upload file, then the bottle. So make the guy, okay, sorry, the man hold hold this water bottle. So you click on run again. So I'm going to wait for it. Let's see the outcome for this one because I'm a bit skeptical. It's very interesting, very, very easy to work around with. That's one thing I love about it. You don't need to go about with too much prompt. Just indicate whatever you want, describe whatever you want, and it's going to do it. So let's check the result. Hmm. This is tea. No, this is tea. I love this. I absolutely love this. So let's go back. What we're going to do is make him make him point. Should we use point? Point the water bottle 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 towards the camera, towards the camera. So we hit on run again, and let's wait for it to do its magic. Seriously, I enjoy working with this. This is very, very easy and simple to use, in my own opinion. Very, very easy. So let's wait for it to generate. Oh, it's still generating. At least it's taking like about 30 to 40 seconds. Yeah. So let's scroll down. Let's check the results. No, you're pointing at me, not the okay. Okay, let's try it again. Make the water bottle bottle point towards the camera. Point point towards the camera. Towards the camera. The camera. So you click on, let's click on run. Let's wait for it to do its magic again. Let's wait for it. I hope this time around is okay. Let's just hope. So let's wait for it to do its thing. It's done generating. Let's go and check it out again. So we'll scroll down. Maybe if we try another prompt, it's going to work. But for now, it's not working because I didn't write any prompts down while shooting this video. So I don't have any prompt for now. So these are the ones I was able to generate using the same prompt on my phone. Can you see the face consistency? So what we're going to do, let's try another thing. Change is background. Let's change 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 sorry, change is background 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 to a street a street in New York City. New York City. New York York City. City. So you click on run. So let's wait for it again. I hope this time around is very, very okay because oh no. So I know my prompt for that one. Maybe the prompt is not okay enough. But let's wait for it to do its magic with this one. So let's wait. So it is done generating. Let's go check it out. So let's scroll down. Oh, this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is much okay. This is very, very okay. So let's change his hairstyle. Let me download that. Let's change the hairstyle. Changes. I don't have a particular hairstyle I want to give him, but let's just hope it's going to give it another good hairstyle. change change the hairstyle, the hairstyle, hairstyle to a better one, to a better one. I don't know. I don't have. So let's click on submit. I don't know. I don't have a particular hairstyle I want to give him, but let's just wait. Let's see the magic. It is done generating. Let's go check it out. Let's check the other hairstyle. Not too much of a difference. Not too much. No. Now, okay. Let's do this. Change the hairstyle to color green. Change change the hairstyle. The hairstyle to color green. Oh, you see the hairstyle. Wow. You see, this is very accurate. Let's do another thing. This might be the last one we are doing today. So let me upload an image. Let's upload an image. Oh, okay, let's select this one right here. You click on it. So let's do make R appear appear in in the front page of a newspaper, of a newspaper. Hmm, paper. So you click on run. Let's wait for it to generate. This might be the last one we are doing today because I don't want this video to be too long. So maybe I will do another video and I will continue from there. But this is very, very okay. You can do it with tons of different things. So let's scroll down. Let's check if the results. Can you see that? The Daily Chronicle. What of, oh my, let's check it out. This is really beautiful. This is beautiful. I mean, I love it. Wow. Let me download that. This is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. You can try different kinds of things with it. This was one I was able to generate on my phone, and I told NanoBanana to make her smile, and she did. But before we go, let's try another one. Let's try another one. Make her sit in a beautiful beautiful restaurant. So what we're going to do is let's upload the image itself. Let's upload the image because I don't want the one on newspaper. So let's upload the image. You click on it, then you click on submit. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the magic. Let's wait for the magic. Let's wait for the magic. So let's wait for it. So it's still generating. Let's wait few more seconds. This is going to be the last one for today. I'll continue in another video. I don't want this video to be too long, you know. So let's scroll down. Oh my god, chim. This, no, this is like NanoBanana. Take his like, wow, this blew my mind. Like, oh, wow. You know, you can literally change everything here. You can change the background, you can change the color, you can change the color of the clothes, you can change different things. You can make us sit beside another person. I don't want this video to be too long. Maybe I'll continue in another part. I will do separate video on that. Oh my, chim. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I love it. Wow. Check that out. Check it out. That will be all for now. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and drop your question in the comment section. Stay tuned for another part. Bye bye.